Hello everyone, I'm Ivan Mora and I lead the Eaton Satellites organization. Today I'm going to speak about our panel board and switchboard regional manufacturing capabilities, also known as Eaton Satellites. Our Eaton Satellites can specify, develop, and customize assembly solutions locally per your needs. We have 16 regionally located plants across the United States, providing high-quality standard and custom power solutions whenever and wherever our customers need them. The unparalleled regional commitment to our customers is based on three key pillars: localized strategy, customized experience, and quick responses. The first pillar is localized strategy. Here we choose a completely localized approach where we listen and pay attention to our customer needs. We develop long-term relationships where we learn about our customers, understand their business, and position ourselves to support their success. Also, our capabilities are built in a way where we can leverage and lead our customer expectations through the cycle. Our second pillar is offering a customized experience. We aim to customize and engineer unique solutions tailored for our customers, providing outstanding customer service and experience. We are available to our customers, and this is supported by our strong competitive advantage. For example, we build a complete panel board and switchboard product line offering in our site.
Lastly, through our quick response approach, as the name suggests, we value the speed of response to customer needs by providing expedited lead times, but not just quick, we also offer quality resolutions.
Here's 5 reasons why you should trust Eaton Satellites. 1. We have local expertise. 2. We build custom products. 3. We are nimble. 4. We have functional experts. And number 5, we know our customers. So, whether you are in the commercial construction, healthcare, data center, oil and gas, transportation, utility, or any other industry, we are available. Sometimes this business throws a curveball, and when it does, Eaton Satellites are the local neighbor you can rely on.